Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be learning how can we insert data in database via query builder. So previously we saw about bulk method. We'll be removing those. Let's say I will remove all of this, and let's remove this one also. Now, as usual, we have to call db facade. Then we will say colon table. Then we have to specify the table name is posts, right? So first of all, let's remove our all datas from database. From here, I will remove all because we will be inserting our new datas. So let's remove them. For that, I will press Ctrl plus A. That will select the all datas. Then you can see here is a red icon, cross icon. If I press here, that will ask confirmation. Okay, our table is clear, right? Now let's go to our code editor again. In here we selected our table. We're gonna insert data in post table. So there is a method called insert. This method will take a array. In array we have to specify the field name and the values. So let's go to our database manager again, and we will go to the table section. In here we can see all our field names. So let's start with title. So at the array key we'll pass the field name, and the value will be passed from here. I will say this is the test data. Now we have to add the description. Let's add it. Let's say I will take a lorem. And let's put all the text in quote. Now let's see, we have status. I will copy the status, put it here, and this status, let's say it will be 1. We don't need to create an update. Now let's copy the publish date, and let's say date will be date. I have to pass the format. The format will be YMT. Now the last one, the user ID. So let's say the user ID will be 1. These all are dummy datas. We just want to see how can we insert data in database via query builder, right? So after everything, I like to show something. Let's say I will say DD success. Okay. Now if I go to my home page, my home route, right? Now if I press enter, it's showing success. That means our query has been run. This query has been executed. Let's go to our database manager, and we will go to our data tab and refresh, and you can see we have an entry here, right? The title is this is a test data, and we have the description, status, and so on, right? So that's how you can insert database via query builder. If you notice that we didn't mention the ID, we have a ID field also, right? So we don't need to specify the ID because basically ID is auto increment, so it will automatically increment when we will create any kind of data. Another thing that it's not like you can only pass a one array here. In insert method you can pass multiple arrays. So let me cut this array, and I will take an empty array, and in this array I will pass this array, and then I will add another array. Basically we are making a multi-dimensional array. Let's paste it here, right? I will change the title for understanding. This is a test data 2. Okay, now I will go to my DB manager and select this entry and delete this one. We will run our query again. We will go to our home route and press enter. You can see we are getting the success still. Now let's go to our database manager and refresh. You can see now we have 2 data instead of 1, right? So you can pass dynamic multidimensional array for creating more than 1 entries in your database.